Hey everyone, it's me, Jeremy Alexander Newsome. Thanks so much for being here, and this is your video for Trades of the Day. It is Tuesday, the 20th of March. I thought it was Wednesday actually all day. Kind of funny stuff. So I've updated the worksheet and the worksheets, and there's a day trade tab on here right now. Those are just some of my present day trades that I do with some of my moderators. We'll be updating that because at some point in the future, I figured let's go ahead and have a day trading tab just in case. Because, well, the future is bright. And then we got some swing trades. Current month, these are the ones that are either active or open that we talked about just last few days. So if we're in it or, we want to be in it, I just move those over to a new one. And then we got a credit spread current month worksheet. So for all the bull put spreads, put sales, iron condors, things of that nature, that's going to be here in this particular worksheet. So I'll just kind of review some of those really quick. First and foremost, OKTA, still open, still looks really good, 39.35. So we'll see if that does in fact work out or play out today. But OKTA, going back to our swing trade, that one is still open. OLED, we're going to end up canceling this trade. We did the analysis correctly as far as expecting a potential bounce, right? But we wanted it off the 100 simple. So this is the gap on the weekly chart, and we can just see that it just gapped down and really didn't quite make it. So we can cancel OLED. We'll move on to another one. Caterpillar, ticker symbol CAT, did bounce up a little bit, which is nice. So I do like that white candle, and hopefully that can slowly just continue to grind higher and really bust out of here pretty soon. And we also have TAHO, Tahoe, and Tahoe, again with Tahoe Resources, did increase the stop, so we're going to lose very small on that one, probably tomorrow, more than likely. And then the CBOE are really only strong winner, and I think at this point we can increase the stop on the CBOE Chicago Board of Options Exchange to 116.78. So do something like that, put that over in here. All right, and we'll just update CBOE, updated stop, put that there. And again, what's really beneficial is that we're going to have a newer, cleaner sheet, and we got the credit spreads here for any traders that are interested in doing put sales and things of that nature. So let's go look at some other trades really quick that there's just some really good stuff out there, at least it looks like to me. We got OKTA. General Electric looking real weak. So GE looking to see if we can short this thing on a pullback with a stop in that gap. So here's a GE setup, going to look something like this. And I might even hold this trade over earnings because GE just looks like death right now. So this would be a bearish swing trade. Today is again the 20th, 2018, General Electric. And 13.95 with a stop at 14.79. Good setup, and that is open because it has not triggered yet, and that is GE. That's the analysis. And we got here's AutoZone, ticker symbol AZO, and AutoZone. The low of yesterday was 643.22. So I'm gonna put this as 21. Right there, just ready to enter with a breakdown, and that'll be a pretty quick trade on AutoZone if it works. 320, 2018, AZO, and 643.21. It's going to be an entry with a stop at 664.71. And again, that would be a bearish trade as well, open because it's not triggered yet. And we'll put that in there. And so that's going to be AutoZone. And I had another one I was looking at on Square. So Square had a really good move today. It's actually getting up into some of my targets on Square. And this has been a fantastic stock to own and or sell puts on as well. So I'm looking for a pullback on Square. Even though it's a Q2 target, I get it. It's kind of right in front of our face. I won't leave this trade open super long because really the pullback should happen tomorrow. So if it's going to happen, should trigger tomorrow. I'll just put that there as a a potential setup, and hop over here, put that back in, So 3/20, 2018, amazing stock to be in though. You know, if you get a pullback on this one, I would certainly say look to play this and own this for a while. I just like Square. It's a great company. It's newer IPO. Everything's looking good. Gonna put that in there. And just to review our credit spreads, Alcoa is a put sale actually, and that's from May, so that's hanging out pretty far down there. And then of course, huge news on Facebook. Again, a really phenomenal continuation. This was a great gap on Facebook. It's actually a retest gap. And here's how I played it on the 5-minute chart. So the 5-minute chart on Facebook had this pre-market low right here. If I actually turn the pre-market on. So you had the pre-market, well, not really a pre-market low, but just low of the day. And then when it broke and made a new low, I wanted to short the retest. So there's the pullback. And you got your evening star reversal pattern, went bearish here with a stop right there. Got out right about here for 2.3%. And that was a really nice move on Facebook. So anyway, cool stuff. It has rallied back. Nice lower shadow. I think this is going to be a good support now for a while. And then, of course, you know, if Facebook takes out that low, some serious things are going to be transpiring on Facebook. But we did have a great fill since Facebook gapped down. we're looking at getting 355 for it, right? So this is 4 buckaroonies on Facebook. So I feel really good about that, 4.5. And I know it's all the way out there for July, but that premium can evaporate pretty quickly. So we'll keep an eye on that. It's July. You got the short put, all the information's there. And yeah, pretty pumped about it. So anyway, thanks guys for being here. More info soon. A lot of stuff cool, a lot of cool things coming down the pike. But thank you for reading. Thank you for watching. Thanks for being here. If you have any questions, let us know. You are awesome, and I'll see you later. Bye.